Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 1, and name of the chapter 1 is the crop production and management. 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 So I told you about the agriculture, horticulture, and now I will discuss about activity 1.2 and activity 1.3. So in activity 1, visit some fields in a nearby village. In your village, visit any kind of field and observe the plants growing in different fields. Collect some plants from the fields without destroying the other plants and make herbarium file. Herbarium is specimen of the plants collected, and take the help of your teacher in the preparation of herbarium file. In herbarium file, we are keeping the different kind of plants, and then we are seeing the we are writing the first common name. What is the common name of that? In last year's, or we are that herbarium file is the file where we are collecting the different kinds of plants. And in first, first we will observe the plants. Then we are writing the common name. Then what is the scientific name of the plant? Then what are the characteristics of the plant, in which month they are growing, which month we are harvesting, like that. So this is called the herbarium file. And when you have to visit any garden, you can see that different kinds of plants you can take and you can collect. And write about the uses of the different plants collected from the fields. Activity 1.3. So collect seeds of the plants collected by you from the fields which you visited in activity 1.2. Draw sketches of these seeds on a chart paper, and for this activity you need to visit the fields at a time when crops are maturing. What is the crop season? Crop seasons. Crop seasons. Crop seasons. Two types of crop seasons. First one is the Rabi crop season and Kharif crop season. Rabi crop season and Kharif crop season. Two types of crop seasons: Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Rabi crop and Kharif crop. So first one is the Rabi season crops. What is the Rabi season crops? So Rabi season crops are shown in the beginning of the winter. That is the October to November. Rabi is the crops are shown in the beginning of the winter. It starts from the October to November and are called the winter season crops, and then they are called the winter season crops. And examples, you can write examples of the Rabi season crops. That is the examples you can see. Rabi season crops examples of Rabi season crop, that is the wheat. You can see that barley, gram, pea, potato. Gram, pea, potato. Gram, pea, potato. These are the examples of the Rabi season crop. These are the examples of the Rabi season crops. And now come to the, what is, I think all of you understood what is the Rabi season crop. Rabi season crops, they are sown in the beginning of the winter, that is the October to November. October to November. Examples, you can see that gram, pea, potato. And now come to the Kharif season crops. And in Kharif season crops, you can see that Kharif season crops are summer season crops. This is the summer season crops and Rabi is the winter season crops. And this Kharif season crops, it is sowing in the done at the beginning of the rainy season. It starts beginning of the rainy season, that is the June to July. It starts June to July. It starts June to July. Examples of Kharif season crops: rice, paddy, maize, groundnut, jowar, maize, groundnut, jowar, maize, groundnut and jowar. Maize, groundnut and jowar. So this is the example of the Kharif season crop. So two types season crops are there. Two crop seasons. Heading is the crop season, and you can see that it is divided into two. Rabi season crop. This is the Kharif season crop. Rabi season crop starts in the beginning of the winter season, that is the October to November. And examples of the Rabi season crops, that is the wheat, gram, pea, potato. These are the examples of the Rabi season crops: wheat, gram, pea, potato. Now come to the Kharif season crop. In Kharif season crops, it starts in the, this is for the summer season crop. It starts in the beginning of the rainy day, that is the June to July. And examples of the Kharif season crops you can see here: rice, paddy, maize, groundnut, jowar. Rice, paddy, maize, groundnut and jowar. So these are the examples of the Kharif season. I think all of you understood the Rabi season crops and Kharif season crops. Now come to the basic agricultural practices of the crop production. What is the basic agricultural practices of crop production? I think all of you understood Rabi season crops and Kharif season crops. So now come to the basic agricultural practices of crop production. Basic agricultural practices of crop production. Agricultural practices of crop production. Basic agricultural practices of crop production. In this first one is the, it is the basic agricultural practices of crop production. In this first one is the preparation of soil. How we have to prepare soil? Preparation of soil. How we have to prepare soil? Preparation of soil. First is the preparation of soil. Second one is the sowing of seeds. Second process is the sowing of seeds. And third one is the applications of manures and fertilizers. Applications of manures and fertilizers. Next one is the applications of manure and fertilizers. Next one is the irrigation. Next, weeding and removal of weeds means unwanted plants. That you can see that weedicide, or you can write that removal of the plants. Weeding and harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Harvesting, threshing, winnowing, and last is the storage. So this is the basic agricultural practices of crop production. This is the basic agricultural practices of the crop production. You can see that preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, applications of manures and fertilizers, irrigation, weedicide, harvesting, threshing, winnowing and storage. So these are the basic, what is the first process, and these are the basic agricultural practices. In this, first we are doing the preparation of soil, how we can prepare the soil. Then sowing of seeds. Then applications of manure, which kind of fertilizers is good for the soil, for the crops, and irrigation, watering to the plants, weedicide, that is the removal of the unwanted plants, harvesting, threshing, winnowing, harvest the crops and then threshing and winnowing. We are separating grain from the husk, and storage. Then last is the storage. Which kind of storage is good? In detail, next class I will discuss. So these are the basic agriculture practices. Until here you will take a revision. In next topic I will discuss all these in detail.